Hey friends,
I'm Steve.
and I'm Angela.
And we are
Midlife Cruising. Welcome to Villa Vie Rentals, our second YouTube channel. As you know, we live full-time on a residential cruise ship, and we travel the world and share all things cruise ports and all things cruise life. In the past, we have filmed tons of rooms for our fellow residents who'd like to rent them out when they're off the ship for 2 weeks or 2 months or however long it is. So now we're going to do this on a separate channel to make it easier for you to find a rental. So subscribe to Villa Vie Rentals and join in and come have some fun with us. So always the contact information will be in the description below the video, and we will update that if they rent it out and it's available at a different time. So find the title of this episode and find the word more, click on the word more, and it'll expand the description and you'll see the contact information. It's also up to the owner if they want to tell us the dates it's available or if they want to tell us the pricing, because sometimes it depends on how long you rent or where in the world we are. So the price can, be different depending on a lot of things. So contact the owner, see what you guys can work out. Like I said, sometimes the price will be there, sometimes it won't, sometimes the dates will be there, sometimes it won't. But we hope you will contact the owner and come join us and hang out with us on the Villa Vie Odyssey.
Enjoy the tour.
Okay, here we are in room 4151. It is an interior room and it is available for rent. Single occupancy or double occupancy. These beds could be separated into 2 twins, one on either side, or pushed together. It is up on risers, so there is plenty of storage underneath for your suitcase. There's a TV there that can pivot all the way out, or this position it's in now. The owner will remove everything from this 3-drawer dresser so you can pack it up. We have a refrigerator here, a desk area, all the shelving. He'll move all of his stuff under the bed, but still leave you plenty of room for your suitcases. There'll be 2 closets here completely empty for you. And then the bathroom is here. And of course, he'll remove all of his personal belongings, but those great magnetic shelves will be there for your storage. So this is room 4151. It is available to rent. We will always post the available days in the description below. Look at our title and go to the word more underneath our title. If you're on your computer or phone, or pause your TV, find the word more and click on that and it'll expand our description. And that's where you'll see the available dates and the pricing for this interior room. Conveniently located just outside of the main dining room and one of the embarkation areas if we use deck 4. You'll also be right down the hallway from me. Come join us, check it out. There's also a mirror I see on the back of the door. Refrigerator. It is lived in now, but remember, he will take all of his items out so you can have your own. Got plenty of metal hooks around. Remember, check out the description below. Contact the owner directly. And remember, there is always a $150 processing fee when you fill out your initial forms through the company Villa Vie Residences to join us on the Villa Vie Odyssey. So $150 plus whatever the person is asking per night. And the most important thing to remember is everything is included. They do your laundry for you. They clean your room twice a week. Free Wi-Fi, 2 beer wine at lunch, 2 beer wine at dinner. All those things you pay extra for on most cruises.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this tour. Remember to contact the owner. Check the description below. Make sure you subscribe to this channel to get all the updates as quickly as they come out.
Until next time,
Bye, friends.